Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system section. Now let's find the backup option, which is right here, and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and as you can see I've got it saved, so let me just tap on it and tap on next. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address in the step before, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it, so it will autofill the rest. Let's tap on next after the password, after entering the password. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And right now we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you're interested you can tap on it, and here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we have the, let's say, step with the information about the backup. So you can use the 15 gigabytes of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically and store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily, so whenever you want to. You can check the details and so on. So basically, just tap on turn on. And we've got another page which is connected with the backup. So here you can check how much space you've got left and how much is used. Here you can manage, of course, the storage, so you can enter and remove some content. Right here we've got the backup details, so here you can check what has been backed up already and what was not. And here you've got also the option backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for using too much data. So I highly recommend to keep it turned off, as I said. And here basically to finish the whole process, just tap on backup now, and as you can see your device will back up the data, so the apps, photos, videos, and so on and so on. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.